Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope this video finds you doing very well. It's been quite some time since I got in front of the camera and recorded one of these videos, but I'm happy to say that an old injury of mine has basically healed, and soon I will be back making jump rope videos. But the subject of today's video is this box, or rather the contents of this box. If you followed this channel for some time, you will know that I'm a fan of minimalist shoes for jumping rope, as well as for everyday wear. So I tend to wear a lot of Nike minimalist shoes, such as these ones I'm wearing here, as well as these, the Nike Free 5.0, as well as other models, such as the Nike Free 3.0. But inside this box, there's a brand new version of a minimalist barefoot shoe called Peluva, which was designed by Mark Sisson and his team. Mark Sisson, he runs a very well-known blog called Mark's Daily Apple. So I reached out to Mark Sisson and his team, Kyle Sisson, and they so generously sent me a pair of the Peluvas to try out, and I wanted to share them with you guys. So I just received the box today, and I will be opening the box now and checking them out for the very first time, and I wanted to share them with you, and I'm sure you're going to see them in videos very soon. So let's check these out. So a big thank you to Mark Sisson, Kyle Sisson, and their team over at Peluva for sending me a pair of these shoes. Okay, so I see a thank you note there. I'll check that out afterwards, and there on the front you can see the name of these shoes again, Peluva. That's spelled P-E-L-U-V-A. So you can check out their website if you're interested in these shoes yourself. So this is not a paid sponsorship or anything. I just reached out to them and I told them that I love minimalist shoes, and when I saw Mark had designed his own pair with his team, I really wanted to try them out for myself, and they graciously sent me this pair here. So inside the box, okay, there's documents there and a pair of Peluva everyday no show sock. So these can be worn with the shoes, I'm guessing. So let's check these out here. Okay. Peluva. Okay, cool box. So this is an unboxing video here. Peluva. Nice packaging. Okay. Very cool. So the first thing I noticed is how lightweight this shoe is. So it's supposed to mimic the barefoot walking experience, and when Mark and his team designed this shoe, or this brand of shoe, they have several different models on the website, different colors. They had a few criteria in mind, namely they wanted the shoes to be comfortable, functional, and stylish. So as you can see, this pair that I have here is black, very similar to the ones I have on here, with a white sole. And on the bottom, they have a great looking rubber material, which will help you to avoid any injuries from rough material on the ground. So first impressions, the shoe is super light. The rubber on the bottom would certainly be durable and provide resistance to any rough surface. So these, and look, and you can see here I'm just bending the shoe. It's extremely flexible. You can bend it extremely easily in all different ways. And as you can see at the front, they're different from, say, a Nike minimalist shoe. Whereas with the Nike, you just have the material that goes all around the front. Whereas here, each toe is separated. So you can see why they might want a specific sock made to go with the shoe. I say they're so comfortable. If your feet were clean, you could just go barefoot. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take off my shoe, try them on. I'll just slip my foot in barefoot. So let's take a look here. Wait, give my bottom of my foot a quick rub there. Slip my foot into them. Okay. So each toe is making its way in to the toe area there. So this is I've never worn Vibram minimalist shoes, which I know Mark was a fan of himself, but I guess he wanted to make a more improved or a different style minimalist shoe, and this is what they came up with. And Mark, being a former long distance runner, athlete, knew exactly what he wanted when he had the minimalist shoe design in mind. So as I said, he wanted a shoe to be comfortable, functional, and stylish. And here we have the Peluva. So the very first thing that I will say, putting my foot into the shoe, it's extremely comfortable. I wear a size 13 US or 12 UK in Nikes, and the 13 feels quite nice. I have to say, it fits like a glove. It's extremely comfortable on the first time that I've slipped my foot into them. Okay, so it's extremely flexible, very comfortable. It feels literally like I'm wearing a glove, and with each step it essentially feels like I'm walking barefoot, but you have the added protection of the rubber or the material on the sole there. So it's certainly a different sensation from walking with, say, the Nike Freeze, which I'm a big fan of too. But you have less maybe padding or less protection on the sole of the shoe here. But yet at the same time, with the way the shoe is designed, there's ample protection on the bottom, so it seems. So I can't wait to jump rope with these shoes. They feel incredibly light. It's just a kind of a nice feeling walking around with them on. They really do seem to kind of mimic what it would be like walking barefoot, which is the idea behind this shoe. It's supposed to mimic the barefoot experience. So very cool, very comfortable. As I said, I wear a size 13 US in Nike, and these are a 13 US. So very cool, very light. So really looking forward to wearing these for everyday use around the house. Especially I look forward to wearing them when I jump rope. There's ample material on the bottom, so I can completely understand why these would protect your feet while at the same time giving you the barefoot experience. Walking barefoot has been shown to be very good for many different reasons, for posture, for building strength in the feet, the lower legs, and just throughout the body really. So Peluvas, you might want to check them out. You'll soon see these in some jump rope videos. So a big shout out to the team at Peluva for sending me these pair to try. Big thank you. All right, thanks guys.